As you are aware that we're having one rank after the other here at Narayana, and now I will be joined by Parth and his family. Let's go and quickly get their reactions. I have another young achiever joining us with me today with his family. First of all, Parth, congratulations, and congratulations to your parents as well. How does this moment feel for you?
It's a very happy moment for all of us in the family and the fraternity. I mean, his institution, teachers, everybody, including, of course, the three of us over here who are facing the interview. A very joyous moment for us.
And what was the reaction of your extended family when they got to know that he's achieved such a good rank?
Yeah, so everyone is very happy. Of course, they know that this is just a part of the journey that he has done so far. In previous exams also, he has done well, but this becomes a very important milestone for him and for all of us, of course, with him, right? So this has been an year of examinations for us, an year of good results. So his elder sister, our daughter, she's 3 years elder to him, and she graduated this year with very good marks, and she also has got admission to her desired university, that is Christ in Bangalore, and that is followed with this result now. So everybody is very happy.
So it looks like it's a celebration time in your family, right? So ma'am, were
I
you?
would like to add that Parth actually started studying properly for Olympiads and all right from his 7th, 8th standard, and I would say this is the culmination, the rewarding result that we have.
So Parth, how are you planning to celebrate? Is there any demands that you have made from your parents after this result?
Not really any demands as such. We will just celebrate. We'll just have fun together as a family. That is the plan.
And sir and ma'am, coming to your final question, what is that one message that you would like to give to the parents out there whose children are also aiming for JEE Advanced?
As a mother, I would say be supportive and just take care of their health. The efforts they are putting, the faculties at Narayana are helping. So it should work out.
Looking at his journey, sir, what do you think has truly paid off for him in his success?
Okay, our observation has been that Parth has been very curious throughout his life. In his earlier school days also, he has been curious. He always wanted to learn newer things. And for examination point of view, he participated in several Olympiad and related examinations. The biggest advantage of these examinations was that, especially Olympiads, and a few of his friends during COVID time also, I mean, while online sessions, they used to sit there for 4 or 5 hours easily and enjoy every moment of that. I think that has prepared him and his friends to sit for longer hours without getting exhausted, and they still enjoy. Even after spending those many hours, they still enjoy the learning. I think that has come in a very good state for him. So I'm saying that if they choose their field of interest, they will do certainly very well. So keep encouraging them with that.
Thank you so much for talking to us, and we wish you all the very best, and congratulations once again.
Thank you.